Daisy, how old are you today?
11. Are you old?
11, that's double digits. We thought you could be in charge for the rest of the days.
Yes! I'm freaking in charge!
Let's do this.
Did you steal it? What? You can find good in everything.
Alright guys, good morning. We have something special going on this morning. EB,
What is today, Evie?
guess what today is?
Oh yeah.
It's Daisy's birthday. Yeah, so we're gonna make her breakfast in bed. And EB, we gotta sing happy birthday to Daisy, okay? Do you know how to sing it?
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Happy birthday, princess. Like that. Alright, we're getting some waffles and whatnot. Some bacon. Come on. We didn't put butter on the pancake. Oh, it's gotta be perfect. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daisy. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish and blow out the pancake.
Okay, eat your food.
Yay. Daisy, how old are you today?
11.
Are you old?
11, that's double digits.
She was double digits last
Well,
year.
this is the real digit. Zero's not a real digit. This
Is
is.
she officially a tween?
I'm going with tween. She's a tweener.
Tween?
She went straight for the grapefruit.
Ah! Evie!
You gotta watch
She just ate like a puppy, just bit down.
Just like you gotta watch Coco. You gotta watch.
She just came in like a dog and just ate her food. You dip it and then you...
Daisy, what are you gonna do as an 11-year-old?
Be in charge.
Oh, get out of here.
They could be in charge and then she'll make us not go to school.
Not happening.
Not happening.
I'll tell you guys a secret. The reason why Zade got to stay home from school the other day was because it was career day where he was supposed to we tricked you guys so good, but he did stay home from school. So we didn't break any rules. He did what he was supposed to do, but he did stay home from school.
6 hours later.
When you get home from school, give Dad a hug. This Daisy. Enter.
Daisy got some flowers for her birthday.
Happy birthday, Daisy. Those are not daisies, or are they? Oh, yeah, carnations. Close enough, right? Or is this a daisy?
not a
Sunflower, carnation. Close enough. Okay, take it
Yeah,
easy. Did you go in your room yet?
No. Let's go see it, Daisy.
There's not a pony in there.
There's a unicorn, of course, not a pony. Somebody cleaned it.
Yes. How do you like that, Jack? And now it's dirty. Daisy,
Oh, Perry.
I was thinking, hey, since it's your birthday, your actual birthday, we thought you could be in charge for the rest of the days.
Don't be 11. You're gonna have to start wearing deodorant. Let me smell your armpits. No, they don't stink yet, thank goodness. I'm sad. Okay, I'm excited. It's really fun to have teenagers, actually.
I'm not a teenager. Zade's gonna be a teenager.
You're basically a teenager now.
Daisy, where are we gonna eat dinner tonight?
Where?
And me making dinner is an option too, if you want to choose that.
Let's eat spaghetti and go to ice cream after.
She actually chose Dad's spaghetti.
Yeah, your spaghetti's good.
I just got the house clean. All right, Daisy changed her mind. Where do you want to go?
Old Spaghetti Factory, then ice cream.
She just wants to do all of it, but they give you ice cream at Old Spaghetti Factory after you're done eating too. So that's killing two birds with one stone. I actually really love Old Spaghetti Factory, so let's do this.
I want you to buy the Spider-Verse movie thing.
Is it out?
Yeah, it's out. It's out for like $20.
You wanna do that
19.
after dinner?
Oh man,
How about
we're never
now?
gonna go to sleep
Just
tonight.
going crazy with this guy.
Yeah, because I'm freaking in charge.
Oh, I got a present for you. Dun 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 dun. It's a boy. Just kidding. What?
Cassie. My first bag of toys. bombs. Bath bombs! Wait, are
You
these
like
bath bombs?
these, Daisy?
Oh,
Or
makeup.
how do you even know
Makeup.
about those? I've never seen those in our house before.
Makeup.
Whoa,
That
whoa,
dry.
Wait, if you can dance.
Who approved this? I thought she had to be able to dance before she gets
That's true.
makeup. This is like...
Let's see your best dance. Alright, that's
Okay.
enough.
Okay, flawless.
Okay, Daisy, what else did you get?
Oh my god, Takis, bath bomb, and
Let me see this makeup.
what's this? Is this perfume?
Uh-huh. 16-piece set includes eyebrow gels,
More makeup stuff. Yeah, you need to
and
teach me
two
how to use
brushes and a
makeup.
mirror. Yeah, I'll teach you how to put some of it on.
What's this?
Body wash. In case you get stinky pits. You got makeup, you got perfume, some fabrics to make a quilt.
Daisy, did you know that this is perfume? Yes, I did.
You could make yourself a quilt, you know.
No. I need more bath bombs.
Okay, happy bath.
Look at your bath bombs. It's peanuts.
You got this one. This one.
Ooh, it's
Spinner.
the fidget spinner.
The Rocket Science Bath Bomb, Fidget Spinner, Yellow Submarine, and the Avo Bath Bomb. Yummy. It says Happy Bath Day.
And it smells really good.
Okay, we're trying out the new, this is all the new rage for massages. Daisy, you ready?
Birthday massage.
That means it's working.
Why are you pushing down so
The massager, hold it.
Hey Mom, can we have iPads on the drive?
Yeah.
And wait, you said something about Zade.
Oh, I want to give Zade his privileges back because he had the idea.
I don't know that being in charge can give back privileges to people that lost them. Daisy has the authority.
Yes!
Daisy, you are my friend.
I was going to be a jerk to you, but then I decided not to.
Okay, we made it to Ye Old Spaghetti Factory, Daisy.
Wait,
Ye Old Spaghetti Factory. Fun fact, when me and April were first married, we used to like order the kids' meals and to go. We didn't eat in the restaurant a lot, but it was a good, quick little meal with the bread that was fresh. Is that what you're remembering right now? You ready for some spaghetti?
We got a root beer.
Root beer. While we're waiting for the food to come out, you guys, we're gonna go around. It's Daisy's birthday, so let's name 2 things that why you think Daisy is awesome. I'll go first. She has a beautiful smile, and she's smiling since the second she was born. She's very funny.
So she has a great personality, I'll say, and really great sense of fashion.
Fashion. Paola, 2 things. Why Daisy is
So I like her laugh,
a good laugh.
Oh, such a good laugh.
and then she's so kind to everybody.
One more. She's super crafty and talented.
She's crafty.
She's nice and she's fun.
Nice and fun. Daisy, what do you love about yourself? She's beautiful.
And so cute.
And so cool. Candy, what do you love about Daisy?
She's nice to me. And I love her.
And he loves her. Okay, Zade, what do you love about Daisy?
Nice.
Nice and fun. Evie, what do you love about Daisy?
What is that?
Bread. Okay, the bread is here. So what is happening right
No,
now?
you're supposed to put this in.
Paula, don't.
No, I want
That's
to
the
eat it.
sugar, Paula. Paula, this is an Italian soda. An actual Italian soda.
Which they don't actually have in Italy. Weird.
Which one? Whoa. Like Paola's?
Do you guys remember? What is this? From our trip to Italy, that they don't actually have these anywhere in the entire country.
Every restaurant we
Nowhere.
ordered Italian
That is not
sodas.
Italian.
And
They
none of
look
them
at
have
us like we're crazy, and they
Said,
just
"So
say,
you want
"You want
Coca-Cola?"
Coca-Cola?"
Doesn't even like Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Like Italian soda, like there's no Italian soda.
Like saying
This is
it's
it.
like American soda, right?
This is Italian soda. Oh, there's your applesauce.
Why is it
Use your
Italian?
spoon.
Davey, why? Tell me
Because
why.
they say it is.
What just happened? Daisy, what just happened?
You just gave me $10 for
The
paper
people
right
sitting
there.
behind
Thanks, Davey.
What the heck?
It was so cute that she was just smiling and smiling at Daisy. And she said, "Is it your birthday?" And Daisy said, "Yes." And she gave her $10 and said, "We used to bring our 6 kids here when it was birthdays." And I think she was just like so reminiscing that she just had to give her a birthday present. I think that's the sweetest thing ever. Oh my gosh, totally made my night, made Daisy's night. What sweet people. Hey Paola, how is it? Is it better than Olive Garden? Be honest, it's not good. She's waiting for the waitress. She's waiting for the waitress to leave. She's all. It's fine.
It's not that bad.
It's just not Italian.
It's just not pasta.
Oh, you ate it all.
I was hungry.
Phoebe, how was your dinner? Good? Thumbs up? Double thumbs up? She's pretty happy about something right now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daisy. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Yeah! Alright, that was a good dinner. You guys, listen. Daisy, I smuggled you out an extra birthday present. Huh?
Did you steal it?
What?
Baby, I'm not.
dirty
Don't lie to them. When you order an Italian soda, you get to keep it. That's the rules here.
Oh,
They gave
okay.
it to me. Got you so good! Got you
Thanks,
so
Dad.
good, Daisy.
I thought you stole it.
I got a fork too. Just kidding.
Hey, Dad, can we watch that movie?
What movie?
Spider-Verse movie? That you have to pay $20 for us to watch?
Oh, Daisy. Is your birthday over yet?
No,
Okay,
it's
fine.
not over till midnight.
Alright, guys. We're gonna let them watch a movie tonight. Let's have a movie night. Okay, Miss Daisy Lynn, my 11-year-old daughter. Can you slow down just a tad in the growing up phase? I want you to grow up, but just slow it down a bit.
Hey.
You can. You actually can. If you just think slower, you can. Or if you're really bored all the time, time goes slower. Just think slow.
Does that mean I have to move?
Move slow, think slow, be bored. See how slow time's going? It's happening. Okay, well, Daisy, happy birthday. Good job being in charge. That was yummy food and a fun movie. And thanks to that nice lady that gave a random act of kindness, random act of money.
Do you like the movie?
Yeah.
It was a good movie. Okay, guys, Daisy, end it for us.
How do you end it again?
Whatever you say, whatever you want. There's no one way to do it.
Bye.
Sometimes I say, find good in everything.
I get everything.
Stuff like that. I'm the best. I like to say that too. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.